Good afternoon, Ilocano learners! On this video, we are going to have the adverb already with Ilocano words. For Tagalog speakers, sa mga nagsasalita po ng Tagalog, ito po yung na. Kumain na, natulog na, dumating na. You probably have seen or encountered words like balayon, nanganon, bakuton, lakayon. It is because it is done in Ilocano by using the suffix en. It is attached to verbs, nouns, and adjectives, but on this video, we're just going to have it with verbs. So let's start. And we're going to start with the future tense, present, and past. Verbs lang ang gagawin natin para sa video na to at sisimulan natin sa future tense, present, and past. And syempre, yung ating suffix na en para sa adverb na already, which is na for Tagalog speakers. For our first verb, mangan. Mangan. Now, let's have that with the suffix en to mean now or already. Manganan. Manganan. Kain na. Mangmanganan. Kumakain na. Nanganan. Nanganan. Kumain na. Umay kadtoy manganan. Umay kadtoy manganan. Halika dito. Kain na. But June already ate. So, let's tell her, nanganan. 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 Or you can also add the pronoun isuna. It means he or she. Nanganan isuna. He already ate. Kumain na siya. Our next verb is maturog. Maturog. Now, let's have that with the adverb already or the suffix en. Maturugan. Maturugan. Gun. Maturugan. Maturugan. Matulog na. Ayan na ni Presi. Ayan na ni Presi. Maturturugan. Maturturugan. Natutulog na. Naturugan. Naturugan. Natulog na. Agdigos. Maligo. Also, I just want to add the root verb, digos, ligo. So, balik tayo sa agdigos. Let's go back to agdigos. Let's have that now with the en. Agdigosen. 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 Now, to say that already taking a shower or already taking a bath, in Tagalog, naliligo na, agdigdigosen. 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 Naliligo na. Done taking a bath or done taking a shower. Tapos nang maligo. Nagdigusan. 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 Naligo na. That's all for today's video. Ayan lang po para sa video natin ngayong araw. At dahil may mga shinare na rin akong Ilocano verbs sa Facebook page natin the other day, and since I already shared some Ilocano verbs on our Facebook page the other day, before we end this video, might as well do the pronunciation of those verbs. So, let's have gumatangan. 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 Sa Tagalog, bumili na. Bumili na. Already bought. Nagdalusan. Nagdalusan. Also, might as well add that our root verb is dalos. Dalos. Linis. Or in English, clean. Nagdalusan. Naglinis na. Already cleaned. Last one of the verbs. Sumangpeten. 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 Dumating na. Already arrived. Sumangpeten. So, that's all guys. That's all for this video. And next time we're going to have the suffix en with Ilocano adjectives.